Pop that thing out. Boom. Good Lord, this chicken. Shut up. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Finally, I have another video for y'all. I've been super busy with school, and this world is just getting crazier and crazier, so it kind of put me back a little bit. But here we are again. We have a 2008 Lincoln MKZ with a broken door handle, as you can see. So it doesn't work. I'm sure the cord is probably broke off or something like that, but I have a replacement here, and I'm going to show y'all how to take this panel off to replace that thing there, because I've seen all the other videos and they're garbage. So hopefully it's going to be the best one out there. So let's go ahead and get started. So since the door handle, not the door handle, the door panel is very similar to how a Mustang is built, you have these little screws right here. As you can see, there's going to be one there and a couple on the bottom side right along here. So if you want to get yourself a little screwdriver that's got one of these Torx bit, I don't know what they're called exactly, but find one of those that fit. Find one of those that fits and go ahead and take all those out, and then you will have little secret panels right here. Like, you get a screwdriver and pop that little panel out. Actually, let me do it. If that rooster would be quiet, just like so, just pop that sucker out, or well, pop that thing out. Boom. Good Lord, this chicken. Shut up. All right, pop this thing out, and then you can see another screw there. Take that out. I'm gonna look for more. I'm sure there is more. Let me get back. Okay, so you'll have another one right up here. It's right underneath the handle. If you just follow it up, you'll find another one. So get another. I have a real little flathead screwdriver just to pop all these panels out. Just be careful not to break them. So you have this one right here, that one right behind the door panel, or the door handle, one right here on the side, and then you have, I don't know how many it is, but it's right along the bottom. You'll find them. It's very easy. So I'm gonna get all those out, and then I'm gonna see if that's all the ones that we have to find. So let's see if that's all the ones that we have to find. Okay, so I have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4 screws, all on the outside with this screwdriver. Took it all off. So we have one by the door handle, one underneath the handle, one up here, and one down here. I don't know if y'all can see that, but there's just one. So just 4 in total. So the long pointy ones go to the outside. This long pointy one went right up in there, and then the short stubby one, this one right here, this one right here, went to behind the door handle. So now what you need to do, if I can set that back in there. Okay, it won't stay, but okay. So now at this point, what you need to do is just very carefully pry this out from, I don't have the strength to do it with one hand, but let's see if I can. Okay. Yeah. So it's just really hard to unsnap these, but due to the car's age, it is a 2008. There's a high chance some of these are gonna snap. All right, you're gonna break them, but that just comes with the age of the car. It's 2008. It's been forever ago. So if one of these breaks, don't worry about it. You still have probably like 8 other pins. Whew, I'm out of breath. I need to lose some weight. But this side I got them. You know, there's a pin right in there, and then there's another one somewhere down here. Yeah, see that white thing right there? Yeah, so just unsnap the whole thing, and then it should just kind of like slide out of this little lip that it has up here. So let me do that real quick. All right, so there was another secret little booger right here. I was pulling and pulling, and I couldn't find it, and then I look at this, and it was right there. So where did I leave that cover? This would be on top of it like that, and just kind of just pull it out. It's got a little snap or snoo right there. Pop that sucker out, take this one out, and the door panel, the whole thing should come out. So in total you should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws. Peep the Crocs. TQT, TexasQuadTip. Anyways, let me see if I can get this off. Oh. Okay, there we go. So that, okay. So you kind of had to lift up on it. So So now, just gonna have it rest on your knee, and you're gonna have this wire. I think that's an impact sensor or something. Yeah, it is. So, just gonna want to disconnect it. There's a little tab up here, right there. Push it down and pull out. So there's one, and then keep it held on your knee. I'm trying to do this one hand. I don't know where my GoPro's at. It's dead. So this other one is the one that goes to a speaker. You just want to do the same thing to this one. There you go, disconnected. What are those? Okay. All right, you know what? Most of those are disconnected. It's just hanging on by these. Those are our thickest cords. So the rest should be easy. So now that we have the door panel off, we can replace the door handle, which is this whole assembly right here. So when we look at it, we have one bolt there. And that's it. Just the one bolt, and then unhook the, oh yeah, that was all broken. That thing was broke. So that looks like an 8mm, maybe a 10, I'm not sure. I'm gonna go get a couple and then I'll be back. Okay, so socket size for this bolt here is a 5/16. So that's what I have for this. So I'm gonna take it off real quick. Maybe I can show y'all if I can do it with one hand. Here we go, here we go. This is quality content at its best. You wanna, dang, that skill right there. So now it's hanging off. Let me put this down somewhere. Okay, so don't lose your bolt. You need it. So now that you have this, this is easy. Awesome, maybe. Yeah, okay. So in general, what you want to do, since this is one of those slide outs, just slide this out that way if you can. So yeah, slide it out that way and then unhook it from this little thing, and then whatever's garbage, whatever fell, I'll find it. Whatever's garbage, throw it away. Let me just take this off. Okay, this takes a little bit of pressure, but snap that thing out, and then there you go. That's trash. Throw it away, and then let's put the new one in. Right, so we got the new one here. So this big old hole will go right over where that bolt was, right there. But first, we want to hook up the cable. So it goes the same way. You just snap that white part into that little groove right there. I'll put an arrow pointing to it. And then the little cylinder part will go right in there. I'll put an arrow to that. So snap those two in and then screw it back on, and then we can work on getting everything else back up. Alrighty, like so. Snap that back in, put the little cylinder part back in there, and now you can bolt it back up. Alright, for some odd reason I said to do it there. Don't do it there, do it up here, because then it'll fit flush. So my bad on that one. So now we have it. Works like it should. Don't know why that's doing that. Lock, unlock, lock. Okay. Okay, so it's supposed to do that. Alright. So now you just work in reverse. I took the switch cover off just to make things a little bit easier, but now since we're done, start reconnecting everything. So what we had, so I'm not going to show this part, so just go back, you know, reconnect all these connectors exactly where they go, and then from there start snapping everything back in, and you should be good to go. So got it back on, so now I just got to put the remaining screws back where they all went, and then I think after that you're done. Just reconnect your last harness there to the lock switch, and I think that's it. Cool deal. Works just fine. So that'll be all. So this was a 2008 Lincoln MKZ. So I believe this is the first time ever working with a car like this. So maybe it's the 06 to 09 maybe. There's a range out there, I just don't know it. Used to working on Mustangs, but this is a pretty cool project I did. So Yep, that was it. Thank you guys for watching. I'm TexasQuadTip, and we'll see you next time. Peace. Hold on, before I go, I forgot to even show y'all what the finishing product looked like. And man, does that look better than a beat up, broken up one. So, and it works just fine. Opens the drawer just great. Closes just fine, no rattling, no shaking. Locks just fine. And you're fixed, you're good to go, man. You are golden. So again, thank you guys for watching. More videos will come out soon. We're finally on Christmas break, so I finally get to work on all my cars. The Mustang's right there. We're good. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Peace and love.